This video is to show how to use the HOBO software. So this on the right is a documented PDF. So we show you purchase the device here. You can find the link to it here. This is the link. This is the cable we're going to use. We're going to use the 4 to 20 milliamp cable right here. These inputs are 0 to 2.5 volts DC. There are 4 channels. If you burn one of them up, use the others. We're going to light up channel 4 only just for the purpose of collecting 4 to 20 milliamps. That means 0 to 10 gallons per minute. The way we do it, we plug the Datalogger into the USB on a computer, and this program is very nice because it can find the device. So this is kind of like we're starting from ground zero, but we're going to start this. This is how we configure it. The first thing we do is we select what cable it is. This was done by adapter cable 4 to 20 milliamps. We call this flow channel 4. We call the units gallons per minute. We're going to select at 1 second fixed interval. We're going to start now, and you could turn the LCD off. No sense to turn the LCD off because the silly LCD takes nothing. We need to do scaling. We're going to assign the scaling. See, this window should be modal. It's not. We're going to edit the scaling. The scaling should be modal. It's not. 0. The 4 milliamps value means 0 gallons per minute. 20 means 10 gallons per minute. We write this here. Click Update, and we will assign this scaling. Forgot to say, we are assigning it to channel 4. So now we have this done. We can click Start, and if we were to watch our little HOBO, when we click Start, we'll see the computer say something, and we'll see the HOBO do a stop, and then it will load, and then it'll do its good thing. It is doing that now. This is what you want to spy on the device with. So you could spy on it and say, don't stop. And what we're monitoring, this is the data file we're going to use. So this is the spy. We are watching gallons per minute. And we're doing a plot. I think I told you the wrong one. This is the one I meant to do. Sorry about that. This is the spy, and here is the value. I'm going to pull it out. It's 3.95 milliamps. Now it'll go to, it's floating. They don't have a clean input on this. So they need to fix that. Now it's going to go back to 3.99. So this means 3.99 means a little less than 0 gallons per minute. So there is the spine. So we kind of went through. Here is the wiring. I explained this is where you can buy the wire from instead of using their thing. It's critically important that you not plug in anything more than DC 0 to 2.5 volts DC into this, and you can't flip the polarity around. This cable, the tip is the end. That's the plus. The ring is not being used, and the sleeve is the minus. Tip and ring. We don't care about the sleeve. And I tell you what the colors are. This is how their cable's wired. The 4 to 20 cable is miswired this way. Plus yellow, minus blue. It's actually the other way around. And here is how Maroos will want it. AO, yellow wire goes here, blue wire goes there. Go figure, they had that backwards. So now you can take the data and you could download the data. We got a little more data on the machine, and we won't stop, and we'll save it as it's automatically number 2, and it'll update the chart. So here's the chart when I plugged it in, plugged it out. So all this stuff you can play with it. This is pretty intuitive. It's very nice, and you can export to Excel using this CSV, and it saves it automatically to HOBOware, and a Macintosh. It's easy to find where that is, and your data is there. That is all there is to using it. Now what you need to do is you need to unplug the computer, and I'm pulling out the USB, and the thing's still running because it's got happy AAA batteries in there, and it'll probably take I can't remember how many points it has. The specs will be written in there. But anyway, it's a very nice little data logger. So that is it.